Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can use Google Translate. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. First, you should download the Google Translate or use a Google Translate web. Okay, here you can enter your text. On the video you have two options. First option, your language. There are a lot of language here. We can choose between them. For example, English. Second option, the language you want to translate. For example, Arabic. For example, write a text. Now you can see the translate of your sentences. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.